Do you know that this simple carrot in your kitchen can transform your skin, hair, and even your cooking oil into something magical? Today I'm going to show you not one but two powerful ways to make carrot oil at home, and I promise by the end of this video you will never look at carrots the same way again. So first things first, let's prepare our carrots. Wash them thoroughly and scrape out the outer skin. After washing, the next thing to do is to grate them into fine shreds. Okay, the finer the better, because that's where all the goodness comes out. Carrots are packed with beta carotene, antioxidants and vitamins that help brighten skin, promote hair growth, and even slow down aging. Imagine all that goodness locked inside these tiny shreds. Now for the first method, the frying method. I poured my grated carrots into a pan, added enough Goya oil to cover it. In place of olive oil, you can use other great carrier oils like coconut oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, or almond oil. After that, transfer the carrots to low heat. The trick here is low and slow, okay? Don't rush it at all, because we don't want to burn away the nutrients. As the oil heats up, you will notice the Goya oil slowly turning golden orange. That's the carrot magic infusing right before your eyes, okay? Stir gently and watch the transformation. After about 10 minutes, take it off the heat. Next, strain out the carrot fibers. Squeeze as much oil from this as possible. And just like that, our carrot oil is ready. This method gives you instant results and the aroma is irresistible. This method is perfect for people who want quick carrot oil. Stir everything together and then transfer into a container with a lid and keep in a cool, dry place. This oil is now ready to use. But what if you don't want to use fire? Here comes method 2, the hot water infusion. This one is gentler. All I did was pour Goya oil into my grated carrot inside a heat-safe bowl with a tight lid. Then I placed the bowl over a pot of hot water for about 20 minutes. Think of it like a spa treatment for the carrot. Slow, gentle, and nutrient preserving. Now after 20 minutes, I carefully took out the bowl and opened the lid, and the aroma was fresh and mild. At this point, you will notice the oil has taken a beautiful golden orange color. Next step, I strain out the carrot fibers using a sieve or cheesecloth, just the same way we did the frying method. That way, you are left with only pure, smooth carrot oil without any bit of fiber inside. Now let's talk about carrot oil and why it is so precious. Carrot oil is not just oil, it is liquid gold. 1. It is good for skin. It brightens, clears, and gives natural glow. It strengthens hair roots, reduces breakages, and promotes growth. It is packed with antioxidants that helps to fight wrinkles and fine lines. Even cooking, some people use it in small amount for flavor and health boost. So there you have it, 2 simple methods and 1 powerful oil. Which one will you prefer? The quick frying method or the gentle hot water? Carrot oil is affordable, easy to make, and the benefits are simply too good to ignore. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time when I'll be coming again, God bless you and bye.